Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stayed too long.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm so excited to share this video with you today. This is the 10-minute instant cleaning motivation video. So the purpose of this video is when you don't have enough motivation to tackle your to-do list, you're able to sit down, watch it, and get motivated, and then dive into your own personal to-do list. I love to personally watch these videos because they give me just enough cleaning motivation to start tackling my own cleaning to-do list. If you guys like these types of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and dive right in.
Yeah, I know that you'll never be forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you.
So before we continue, I do want to let you guys know that this is a collab with my good friend Missy from Love Missy XO. You guys will love her channel. She does all kinds of cooking and cleaning and just sharing motherhood and homemaking. I absolutely love her channel, and her Instagram also really inspires me too. So please go check her out. Her links will be down in the description box, and go show her some love, you guys. Thanks.
If I could do it all again, there is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve a second chance. I know that I'm way too late, 'cause I messed it up, and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, oh, 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 so close, closer than it felt before.
So I am going to go in with my Jaws disinfectant on my sink. I love this disinfectant. And then I'm also going to go ahead and use my e-cloth on my mirrors. And these are some of my top favorite cleaning products. I love them. I talk about them in all my videos. I do have coupon codes for them down below because I do love them so much. And if you guys are somebody who ends up trying any of the products that I use, I would love to hear from you guys how you're liking them. So always just tag me on Instagram and show me that you guys are enjoying them. And that always just makes me feel good that my recommendations could help you too.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true.
All right, you guys, I'm so excited to share with you that I am currently working on my next home refresh project. If you don't know what my home refresh series is, it's basically a series I started January of this year where I'm just redecorating and redoing different spaces in my home. And the next space is going to be this loft area, which I'm so excited about because you can see it's a pretty much blank canvas and it needs some oomph to it, you guys. It just needs a little bit of our style and just to make it more of a homey feel up here. So this is our second floor, so it's just a space between all of our bedrooms upstairs, and I'm just really excited. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that. And if you are new and over here from Missy's channel and you enjoy like cleaning videos and home decorating videos, please subscribe and join our family here. I do have a lot of fun content coming.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So right here I am using my Erase Daddy by Scrub Daddy, and I am using it as like a magic marker or magic eraser. It just takes all the scuff marks off of the wall and the baseboards and stuff like that.
'Cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love, we should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright.
Let me know in the comments if you guys are decorating for summer this year. I will be doing a summer decorate or a summer clean and decorate with me very soon, which I'm super excited for. I'm going to do something a little bit different than I have in the past. Let me know if you guys are starting to open up where you're at. We are starting to open up here, our retail, our dining in areas and things like that. I would love to know what you guys are experiencing right now.
We should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
So I actually have a new kind of video coming for you guys this Friday. It is a crockpot dump and go dinner ideas video, and I was doing a lot of cooking, so I wanted to make sure that I wiped down my back wall here. It's something that you can miss easily if you don't really look close, so just make sure you're always checking that space out so there's not any food splatters sitting there for weeks.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay all night. I can see you are different too.
If you're new to my channel, that is my 5-year-old daughter Ava, and she lives in princess dresses, and she changes her outfits about 4 times a day. So let me know if you have kids at home that enjoy like getting in costumes and it's not Halloween, because she loves dressing up.
Love me like good. Love me like good. Love me like a stranger.
All right, you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys got tons of motivation, the motivation you need to tackle your to-do list. If you enjoyed this type of video, please comment down below and let me know so I can make more of these videos for you. Don't forget to check out Missy's channel, show her some love, get some extra motivation, and also comment down below and say hi. Here is the comment of the day, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.